of Miss Earth India 2025. Any guesses? Huh? 4. Any other guesses? This side too. Okay, that side. Any guesses? Sorry? 5? हाँ कोई बात नहीं मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ कट लगा देंगे Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's that time in the night, but the moment for which we all have been waiting for is finally here. The first runner-up of Miss Earth India 2025 is contestant number 4, Bahun Nongrong. Bahun Nongrong.